Risk management is the systematic process of identifying, evaluating, and prioritizing risks. So basically, I will explain this in a trading format and how you can improve your risk. And this will make you the best trader in the world. Let's get it.
Always risk the same percentage on every trade, no matter how big or small. What do I mean by that? Let's just say, uh, we go here. Say you want to buy from here to here. Our stop loss somewhere down here. Take profit somewhere up here. Let's make it a nice 101. But say you bought right here. Made it a nice 101. Say we risk, let's just say $50. 50. Let's just say 100. 100 for this one. You see how small this one is? But say we got the sale right here with a bigger one. Say this one, we caught the sale. Boom, boom, with a nice 101 too. How much you think we made? The same thing, $100. $100. You want to risk the same no matter how big or small the trade is by a percentage of how much times you can win off the trade. So usually every trade I take, I usually risk the same percentage. But let's go to step 2 and I'm going to show y'all how to even up the amount of money you can win. So step 2. So as y'all seen step 1, always risk the same. Step 2, calculation cost. Find the best percentage for your strategy. So even if you want to risk 200, 300, as y'all can see on these ones, you want to risk 200, 300, fine, risk it. But you have to know your win percentage rate. So I did a little example. So a positive win rate, 1-to-1 RR, you win about 60%. You could risk 0.25 to 1% of your account. So say if you got $1,000, hey, you might want to risk let's just see, $10. That's 1% of your account. $5, that's 0.5. But with a 60% win rate, ooh, you golden. So basically risk something you're willing to lose. So 60%, I'll risk about 20.25 to 1%. You can push it to 2 if you have a higher win rate. So if it's 60% with a 1-to-1 RR, you could probably do about 0.25 to 1. But if it was 80%, I would risk about 1 to 2 because you consistently winning and you want to consistently make them profits. So basically on the 1 RR, everyone is 0.25. Everyone is 0.25 or 1 or 0.5. So let's just say we could do the simple one. Let's just say 100. You know, you're not gonna trade with 100. So 1%, so 1% of 100 equals $1. Even though y'all always gonna trade with more, but you know, it's $1. So that's 1%. Or let's just say 20.25. 25%. Y'all know what that is. 25 cents. So 25 cents. And so on and so on. This will give you a nice edge. You don't want to risk nothing too high because you can go on a losing streak. That's why I said risk. This is a good risk right here. But if your win rate is higher, I will always up the risk. And now let's say, and this is with a 1RR. So imagine now we taking it to the next level. We're gonna do the 3. We gonna, you know, this is 3, and now we at a win rate of 40%. So we probably lose more than we win, but you still win money because why? This is a 3-to-1 RR. You're winning. So if we win, that's $150. But if we lose, let's move this out the way. If we lose, that's $50. Nice, simple, easy. But we win at a let's say 40%. Still positive because why? Why 150? So say we take 3 trades. We win one, we lose one, we lose one. We would still be up $50 because we lost twice with 100 and we won one with 150. So this, I made it a 40% win rate. Ours the same thing, 0.25 to 1. If your win rate is higher, you can up the risk. As y'all see, I wrote the little example right there, 150 W and 50 loss. So now let's go to step 3. So step 3, and this is the most important step. Oh, let me show you how to negative. You don't want to risk nothing too crazy with a bad percentage of win rate. So don't break your effing rules. No matter how much you think the trade is 100% right, stay with your risk. Stay with your risk. Please stay with your risk. You could be like, oh my gosh, I could make an extra 2 bands. I know guarantee it's going to hit that 100%. But what if it don't? I'm not saying it's not going to, but you never know what the market is willing to do. That's why I said risk management is really key in this market. It's probably one of the most important things you could get down pat. And yeah, those are the 3 tips I would go with. And AI, kick it off!
Imagine a thrilling game where you're the hero, navigating through a vast, ever-changing landscape. The goal: to manage risk and ensure your success. Along the way, you'll encounter various challenges, from market volatility to regulatory changes. As you progress, you'll need to make strategic decisions, balancing risk and reward. Your success hinges on your ability to adapt and make the right moves. The visuals in this game are nothing short of impressive, with dynamic graphics that reflect the ever-changing landscape of risk management. So, are you ready to take on the challenge? Risk management, in a video game-like way, is not just fun, but it's also a great way to understand and master this crucial skill. Thanks for joining us on this exciting journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gaming adventures.